Hello everyone. Today we are going to be exploring the interesting topic of AI agents. So, in this video you're going to learn the very first things that you should learn while practicing AI agents. AI agents are everywhere in the big 2026 and no matter where you go, you almost always see it. What are AI agents? AI agents are apps that can automate a given task inputted by the user or predefined. Basically, AI agents are basically workers. So basically, if I tell you every day at 5 o'clock, you have to make me a cup of tea, come and give it to me, AI agents does exactly that without needing any human intervention. These are the uses of AI agents. First, they help make tasks quicker. Second thing, they only need manual intervention once. Then they can automate the task as many times as you want it to. Third thing, they help make tasks easier. What are two websites that you can use to build AI agents? Number one, Make. Make is formerly known as Integromat and it is a free tool. Although website 2 and A10 is a paid tool. Today we will be exploring the free AI agent tool. Now, as you can see, we are going to make an AI agent in Make. Now that you know exactly what an AI agent is and why many people use it, let's dive straight into making AI agents with Make. Make is an AI agent creation tool. It will help you make AI agents efficiently, quickly. Make is one of the first tools that anyone would use while making an AI agent. It's because it's easy and the UI is interactive, simple, and easy to understand. For reference, I watched one YouTube video and understood Make entirely. That's cool. Let's dive right into making our first AI agent. Let's make an AI agent that gets the weather, sends that weather data to my email every day at 5 o'clock. Let's do it. Note that sometimes you need to make something called as a connection. Connections are basically API keys or links to your actual account to be able to fetch data from the app. So you have to go to weather over here, click on get current weather, and now you get the weather. Here, if you see that red asterisk, it means that this certain field is required to be filled in. Okay, so we're going to be making any city. So you can take London, you can take the United Kingdom, you can take Hyderabad, you can take any city. But here I'm going to go for Dubai. Now if you click on this plus icon, you see two options, add module and add AI module. We'll discuss about the AI module later, but now we'll add a simple module. A module is basically an app that you can use. So now let's take my Gmail. Sends an email. Now look, this is a connection. Basically, what I had to do is I had to add a connection, sign in with Google, and I had to choose my account and sign in. Next, so now that I have my email ID here, click on add recipient, and here I'm going to type my email address. Okay, and for the subject we can keep weather, content, temperature, colon, and here you can see some variables kind of stuff. So basically these store information about what you got from the previous module. So I can say temperature colon and take the temperature variable and drop it here. Ta-da! You can click on save, and there you go. You made your first ever AI agent. This is just the first step to greatness. You want to try to run it once? Let's go. Run once. So it gets the weather, sends an email. Let's go to my as you guys can see here, I just got sent this email 9:31, which is right now. Temperature 35.32. Oh, it's all bit. So now you might be like, what? There is no way this random website just sent us the email. And believe it or not, the website that you created, which is called a scenario, is what's an email. Not luck. It's you choosing apps, building them, and making your first ever AI agent. Isn't that just awesome? Now, why don't we make a bit more of a complicated? Don't you think so? So maybe instead of just taking the weather, sending the email, what about we add something in between? So here's where we're going to learn about AI models. AI models are your LLMs like ChatGPT, Gemini, simple AIs that we all know. We've been familiar with AIs since 2022. We should know this. Now what we can do is we can click on simple text prompt, or you can go and access actual ChatGPT. Any will be fine. Here to save tokens, I'm going to use actual ChatGPT. Now I'm actually going to use simple text prompt. Tada. This is actually made by Make itself, so you do not need to create another AI provider connection yourself, as Make does it for you. Model, I recommend you to use the smallest one because we are not doing it for Amazon, Google, or a big company. We're just doing it for our personal self. It's not too hard. So recommended small here. You can say give me what you think about this weather. hot or cold. Temperature 35.32 as you can see here. Same. Now you add a module which can be, let's say, all apps, and we can go to Gmail, send a new email. We have to add a connection. All this member subject gather and this the email content. Instead of taking the temperature, we can take the answer that the AI agent has given us. Save it here. And if you want to add to it, you can also add comma temperature. Please note, temperature is not required before adding the actual temperature. I'm doing it to make it cleaner to read. Temp. Done. Let's do this once. Does it work? Does it work? Whether making a toolkit, Gmail, politics. Let's check my email. It's time for the moment of truth. I'm refreshing it. Okay. Weather hot, temperature 35.32. Oh my gosh, it did it. The AI generated hot, the temperature was 35.32. That's brilliant. Now, that's it for the day. Until next time, see you later.